In the heart of the jungle, a heavy silence blankets the land, untouched and mysterious. The ground begins to shake as something massive moves closer through the trees. From the fog, Hulk emerges, eyes glowing green, power radiating from every muscle. The jungle falls silent, as if nature itself senses what is about to happen. An alpha gorilla stands tall, beating his chest, claiming this land without fear. Behind him, an army rises, united in rage, ready to defend their territory. Fury burns deep in their eyes, a warning carved in pure instinct. Hulk tightens his fists, preparing for a battle that will shake the earth. The first gorilla charges forward, unleashing the beginning of chaos. Hulk strikes back instantly, hurling his enemy into the jungle with brutal force. Attacked from behind, Hulk struggles, but never falters. A thunderous roar erupts, sending shockwaves through the jungle. Hulk tears a tree from the ground, turning nature itself into a weapon. The gorilla army swarms together, turning the jungle into pure chaos. With one mighty slam, Hulk shatters the ground beneath his fists. Enemies are thrown back violently, unable to withstand the power unleashed. Dark clouds gather as rain pours down, the storm joining the battle. The alpha gorilla leaps forward, meeting Hulk in a clash of titans. A brutal punch sends Hulk crashing into stone, debris exploding everywhere. From pain and blood, Hulk slowly rises, stronger than before. Rage fills his face, veins pulsing as his true power awakens. With unstoppable speed, Hulk charges back into the fight. The alpha is lifted and spun through the air by raw, overwhelming strength. Again and again, Hulk smashes his enemy into the ground without mercy. One final punch lands, shaking the jungle to its core. The alpha gorilla falls, defeated, as rain washes over the battlefield. The remaining gorillas retreat, fear guiding their escape into the forest. Hulk stands tall among destruction, breathing heavily in the rain. The storm fades, and sunlight slowly breaks through the canopy. Silence returns as Hulk surveys the land left in ruins. Broken trees stand as scars of a battle that reshaped the jungle. Power and peace surround Hulk as he stands alone. Life slowly returns, birds rising once more into the sky. Without a word, Hulk turns away and walks deeper into the jungle. From above, the jungle heals, stronger after the storm. As his silhouette fades, one truth remains: Hulk is unstoppable.